This is AC Locke here with SoftWash Systems, and I have Iselba and Jose Albornoz. Yep, and they are our latest SoftWash Systems in-network company. And tell me exactly what cities are you servicing? You're here kind of in the Central Florida area, kind of West Orlando. Talk about those cities that you're servicing.
Exactly. So we are based out of Winter Garden, and we service all the areas from Claremont all the way to Lake Nona area, from Winter Park all the way down to Kissimmee area.
Okay, so south of I-4 kind of, yeah, and all that Claremont out to Kissimmee, but Dr. Phillips, Bay Hill, Windermere, a lot of that area.
That's our main focus, Windermere, Winter Garden, Dr. Phillips.
And so Jose came here to SoftWash Systems to go into the soft washing business, and you purchased this beautiful Chevy truck here, quad cab, long bed. What zip code does this truck exist in? This is like a huge truck. And you got this beautiful SoftWash Systems cradle skid in here. And so you already had a pre-existing business. You've been doing pool cleaning, correct?
That is correct, yes.
And so you've already got a client base. And now you're going to be introducing to your client base soft washing, so you can not only take care of their pool and their lanai area and all that, but now you can take care of the whole exterior of their house, their roof, their exterior, their windows, their soffits, their gutter cleaning, driveway, and everything. And so those of you guys who have been getting your pool taken care of by Jose can now get the entire envelope of your house taken care of and soft washed. Well, that's incredible. And then our team here at SoftWash Systems Creative Services took care of your wrap for you.
Yep.
Yeah, Madeline and the team there did an awesome job. Love the brand, love how everything turned out. Hey man, I just want to thank you so much for trusting us.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. And your technician here, awesome. And what's your first name?
Gerardo.
Awesome, cool. So got the team here at Acqua-Tech, and they're going to be taking care of you guys out there in the Western Orlando area, from Winter Park all the way out there to Claremont. And thank you so much, guys.
Thank you, AC.
Have an awesome day.
Thank you.
All right, guys, we're so excited to have Jose and his team at Acqua-Tech now here with SoftWash Systems as our latest in-network company here in the Central Florida, basically West Orlando area. But many of you guys may not know what soft washing is. You know what pressure washing is, but soft washing is like pressure washing and pest control had a baby. What we're doing now is we're not doing the blowing and blasting of pressure washing. You know, pressure washing, honestly, it's antiquated. It's over 100-year-old technology. What we're doing is we're applying chemicals, biodegradable, water-based chemicals, to your home, to your building, to your facility. They emulsify dirt and grime. They kill algae, mold, mildew, bacteria, viruses, funguses, while achieving a 99.8% kill ratio on those surfaces. It completely sanitizes that surface. Soft washing lasts 4 to 6 times longer and only uses 1/3 the water of pressure washing. So ecology-wise, it is a smarter, better decision than honestly antiquated pressure washing. So let me show you what does that soft washing. If you come over here, this is our SoftWash Systems cradle skid. This is our 72-inch or 6-foot skid. And the hallmark, the brains, the real #1 module that we have on here is our SoftWash Systems 6X module. Now, this blend 6X here, what soft washing is we're taking water, we're taking sodium hypochlorite, which is household bleach, and then we're taking antimicrobial surfactants, and we're blending the 3 of those together into a soft washing solution that then we go ahead and spray up on the surfaces around your home, your roof, your exterior, your pool deck, your screen enclosure, wood decks, wood fences, vinyl siding, anything you would have typically had pressure washed, you're now going to soft wash without all the blowing, blasting, and erosion that a pressure washer might cause. So it's a lot better for the surfaces. It gives us the ability to dial in different cocktails of different cleaning surfactants for different surfaces. There is not a one solution cures all approach here. This 6X gives us the ability to blend different chemicals together to treat different surfaces. Right next to it here, you'll see our Rinse DC Plus. Now we call it the Rinse DC Plus is because it is a rinsing machine, but it is DC powered. Everything on this system, as I'm going to show you here in a moment, is DC battery powered, just like a Tesla, just like an electric car. Now, we were country before country was cool. We were Tesla before Tesla was Tesla. We have been DC battery powered since 1991. DC battery powered since 1991. So this whole system here, everything you see here is DC battery powered. Now, this rinse system is not like a pressure washer. Once we spray the soft washing solution, it's gonna get in there and it's gonna emulsify and break up all the mold, the mildew, the cobwebs, the bugs nests, all that kind of stuff, to where we can rinse it away with just regular garden hose pressure. What does that mean? We're able to come in at just 110 PSI at 7 gallons a minute. That's about twice as powerful as your garden hose. Not like a pressure washer. A pressure washer, most of the pressure washers commercial companies are using are 5 gallons a minute at 4,000 PSI. Some use 8-gallon-a-minute machines at 5,000 PSI. What would you rather drop on your foot? A $4,000, or not $4,000, but 4,000 pound weight, or a 100 pound weight? That's a pretty easy decision. So when you're rinsing your surfaces, you don't want to hit them with brute force. You want to go ahead and let the chemicals do the work and then rinse it away with the Rinse DC system. Also on that Rinse DC, the reason why we call it the Rinse DC Plus is because look at this valve right here. This is our plant wash system. One of the big negatives, you know, Orlando, Florida is the birthplace of soft washing. I used to own a company called Mallard Systems. Mallard Systems started here in Orlando, Florida. All other soft washing companies all around the world have mimicked what we did here in Central Florida, okay? So unfortunately, a lot of those companies merely mimic what we did. They cause a lot of plant damage. They cause a lot of property damage because they're using chemicals. They burn your grass. They burn your plants. They drop leaves because they're improperly equipped and improperly trained, and they're not certified. Jose is certified. They've gone through our educational system. So on this head, we have our plant wash system. When we get done soft washing your property, we spray a neutralizer fortifier on all of your landscaping. What that does is it takes and completely eliminates the issue of plant damage, which you may have heard here about in Central Florida. Jose's not going to have that problem because built right into his system is our plant wash system. We have erased that negative. This is what we learned many, many years ago because I have a background in horticulture. I have a degree in horticulture. I worked for 7 years in the horticulture industry before I started Mallard Systems. All this here is on our 72-inch skid. Let me take you around here to the back of the truck and show you what is really the heartbeat of this system, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and open up the tailgate here. And you'll see right here below our hose reels are 5 Group 31 batteries. We've developed technology where we're able to take the kinetic energy that the engine on this gas-powered truck is already making. It's already making electricity. It's what they take an alternator on the engine and they use it to charge the starting battery on the truck. Then that starting battery, once it's fully charged, all of that kinetic energy goes to waste. Okay, we can't have that going to waste. So what we do is we recapture that into a bank of batteries right here on the back of the system, and we charge up these batteries, store that kinetic energy there, and this entire system works off of these batteries on this truck. This is a full week's worth of power we're able to recapture from just driving the truck around to power this system. Then up here, we have our application reels. So we have our soft washing reel here on this side of the truck, okay? And we have our rinse reel. So these are our Stingray reels. This is our own private line here, made by Disruptor Manufacturing. These are electric reels. And this hose here applies the soft washing chemical, while this hose here rinses away the soft washing chemical. So it's a great process, very similar to what we used when we were Mallard Systems back in the day. If you come over here, you'll notice these smaller 6-gallon saddle tanks. This is where all of our soaps, all of our chemicals, these are all of our biodegradable Good Stewards products. You'll notice here on the truck, it says Good Stewards right here. You'll notice on our shirts, it says Good Stewards. Our Good Stewards pledge is that we're going to use water-based, biodegradable, low VOC, non-hazardous products on your home. And so these are our products. We have our Restore, which is our leave-in conditioner, which is great for wood and for shingle roofs. Our Green Wash, which is our antimicrobial surfactant. Our Terra Wash, which is our detergent for taking care of dirt and silt and things like that. Our Final Wash, which is a finishing soap that neutralizes the bleach on your home and then puts a hydrophobic coating on the home that makes the home shine again, makes it glossy, makes it repel dirt, pollen, silt, all that stuff. Our Rain Fresh, which is our scent, and as I mentioned earlier on the Rinse DC Plus, our plant wash product here that neutralizes all of the chemicals that we put on your landscaping and assures that you will have absolutely no damage on the landscaping around your home or your property from the soft washing service. Hey, listen, Jose is going to do a great job for you guys out there in Winter Garden. We're so excited to have him. How do you engage somebody like Jose to have your home soft wash? Well, you've got to look for this shield. If they do not have this shield, if they're not a certified applicator, an authorized professional, or a 5-star with our organization, they are not a genuine SoftWash Systems company. If you want to hire somebody that's a genuine SoftWash Systems company, you've got to look for this shield. Or you can simply call Jose at Acqua-Tech. His phone number is 321-662-2033. That's 321-662-2033. Or you can get him on the web at softwash.aquatech. That's aqua-tech.com, softwash-aquatech.com. Or just look them up on our locator page at softwashsystems.com. Okay, that's Jose with Acqua-Tech. He's our latest SoftWash Systems in-network company out there in the West and Southern Orlando area. This is AC Lockyer, and remember, look for the shield.